Alright, I just got done troubleshooting the starter on this Encore mower, and because a lot of people on the internet have issues with this, I figured I would document what I found. So, test light, it's good. Solenoid, good. The issue was I had this mower running yesterday, and now when you turn the solenoid, it just clicks. So obviously an issue. My first thought was the starter was bad, but because yesterday the mower was turning over very slow, I thought maybe it was actually a low battery. It's a new battery, but I have been using it on another mower. So I charged the battery. Battery's good. Good voltage, lots of power. I've got power here. I know my solenoid works because when I take it to start, you hear the solenoid click in. So my next thought was a bad starter, but starters are fairly expensive and they take some time. Solenoids are cheap and easy. So my next guess was the solenoid, hoping that was the answer. So when I turned the key initially, the test light would not come on. It now does. And the reason it does is because I have disconnected the starter. I don't want to give away the answer, but there's a reason the starter's not on this anymore. So when I would turn this on, the solenoid, the light would not come on. And the reason is because the starter, well, so I thought that was a bad solenoid. I thought the solenoid was clicking but not making up the contact. Rather than change out the solenoid there on the spot, I decided to investigate further in hopes that it was, the solenoid had gone bad. Like I said, I just ran this yesterday, had this machine running yesterday. So I didn't expect the starter to just die between yesterday and today. But it did. So what I did next is I unhooked the starter, 11 millimeter. I unhooked the starter, and then I tested the solenoid, and that's what you can see here. So this is with the starter unhooked. When you click the solenoid, you can see I have contact on this side now, which means this is now hot. Let me get it to make good connection. There we go. Oh. There we go. So, went from battery might be dead, nope, battery's good, to solenoid may not be triggering, and it is, to the reason why the light did not show the solenoid was running is because the starter was grounded. So it was grounding, this was grounded, and the starter was grounded. So now I'm going to show you what happened with the starter. So here's the starter. There's half the starter. Brushes look good. This one, they sit like this. Might be missing a spring actually. I'm probably missing a spring, which I'll have to go find. The starter does not look that good. You can see scrapes. What happened was I pulled it apart, and these magnets had come loose. They had shattered, and so now I've got them epoxied back together. Tomorrow they should be done. So the Found my spring. There we go, look at that. Battery was good. The solenoid clicked. Then we determined it was actually making contact to find out the battery was grounded because the magnets were stuck. So the battery grounded on these brushes. And that's why the solenoid looked like it was bad. And now I'm getting magnets fixed. So I figured I'd show you that. Just a quick video, easy video. But it's a basic troubleshooting is all you really need to know. Start with the battery, move to the solenoid, move to the, if the solenoid's not clicking, either move to the key. If the solenoid is clicking, move to the starter. Alright, thank you.